Hey guys, it's your girl Shania, and today I'm back with another video. So today I'm playing Fashion Famous, and this topic is, let me see, tough dude. Like, I'm sorry, I haven't played this game in a long time, because I think it's too throw for me. Okay, let's see. Tough dude, that's kind of cute. So it's not on topic, so I'm gonna give you a 2. It's Mia Safo. I don't know if I'm saying the name right. Meow meow 1 2 3. Wait. Meow meow 1 2 3 0. Okay, so that's not a tough dude, but this should do something to people. Okay, if I could adjust this game, I would play all. Okay, no. Okay. So guys, unfortunately, that game was boring, so I left it. No offense to the creators, but I think they said this game updated. Okay, so I'll buy a cheap car or a truck, cause I like trucks. Though I can't see anything, but I need a classic pass for a truck. Since when? Okay, so I'm respawning a car, and I don't like it. Like 2 cars. Ooh. Okay, so I used to play with these people. Oh my gosh. I used to play with these people. They were like one day I told my sister like, don't hide me, drive. I told my sister like I'm gonna go on up my other character, which was hacked, so I don't have a password. It has like 200 Robux on it. So I lost that. Then I got more Robux and made a new account. So one day I decided to go on that account, which was a long time ago. And then guess what? I went on the game and I asked for them too. His name was Bird, and I forgot the other one's name, but I cracked myself up. Okay, so oh my god, as you know, there is a, oh my god, wrong side of the road, dude. Okay, so like this game, Greendale, it's like the best game. If I had to choose out of Minecraft and Roblox, I'll pick both. Okay, so I'll pick both, and I think you can go. Oh my god, I think you can go to the school from here because I'm not really sure. Hold up. Okay, I'm not really sure because I haven't played this game in a long time, so I'm gonna go fast. And I'm gonna slow down. Okay, there's a new update for the police. Oh, I think back here is school. Oh, yeah, I think it is. I'm gonna take. Oh, I'm gonna take this road. It's nothing. I'm in the middle. It's like nowhere is real. Okay, to be honest, I played fashion game. Oh, fashion famous for a long time. So like, okay, so I have something that I need to tell you guys. Okay, so I can't run my gas right now because it's going to like be a problem. Hey, Greenwood. Eh, ¿Cómo estás? Oh, never mind. Okay. I was talking to someone that I like that came in the room just now. And they were talking. I'm trying to find the school. Like, they said the school is in the middle of at a gas station. Okay, so, okay, these places. Um, Okay, so I need to find. Oops, oops, oops. I would need to find the. Is this man seriously driving on my side of the road, or is he stopped in the middle of the? Oops, yep, he drives too slow. So I'm gonna. Okay, so I assume that police is chasing. Oh my gosh, did that by accident. I assume that police is chasing that dude. By the way, he maybe not. He maybe. That's sad, bro. Making my car go backwards. Okay, so I think something's wrong with the controls. Okay, so it's going backwards. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put this car in park. Then I'm gonna deal with this. Okay, so let's see. Throttle brake. Hey. Okay, so looks like the game is still going backwards. That's sad. Okay, somebody said my character thing is a glitch or something. Hey, shout out to all these people. My God. Finally decided to turn around. And now I have to despawn the car because like I can't get it back. Despawn. Let me get this one. Okay. I think that the controls were like a bit jammed or stuck. So I like know when there's somebody in my car. Okay, so guys, I want you to get Jake Paul and AJ Mob to notice me because I really love them and Darren King and you know the rest. Like all those people, I want to be just like them. Sniper Wolf. Yes, I'm not gonna let a stop fight. Kids do not run a stop light or pass the stoplight. If you can't hear me, I'm using like this mic thing for gaming. So cool. Okay, so we gotta go straight. The speed limit is 55. But what ifs? I don't even know ifs, but oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oops, bye police. Bye Felicia. It followed me on music please. Oops. Okay, so what is going on down here? Oh my god. Who is these people? Okay, so you're like blocking the road. These cops give me a hard time. blocking the road. Okay. Yo. So anyways, I'm gonna wait for this light to turn because I think this car are broken, guys. You're seriously, oh my god. You're like blocking the roads, no like, see, oh, it's an accident. Hmm. So let me see. Okay, you seriously need to learn how to drive. Okay, so I'm gonna get a job. Oops. Wait, it's bad to be on your phone and driving. Cause like, I'm gonna be, not a school bus driver, not a Burger King. I'm gonna work at, not McDonald's, that's for sure. I'm gonna work at, hmm, hmm, okay, so I'm gonna work at Toys. Okay, so I would have to, which way is which, but, okay, so this is the reporter school, but I don't know where to go. Here's the school, but it's not open right now because it's like nighttime. Like I can't afford for a school bus to see the classroom from outside. Oops. And you can see that there's a library. It's called Greenfield Middle School. What about the high school? Elementary school? Hmm. Home of the what? Home of the polar bears. Home of the polar bears. Okay, so these are the houses. They're super cute. Like, they're very long and boring. Okay, guys. I'm like kicking on some action right now. Okay, so I'm driving crazy because I'm about to kicking on some action. Oops. Aw, I'm like maybe speeding. Okay, so they just left that car. Okay, let me show you an update they have for a long time. But they have for like basically around, but what else? Okay, so I can't crash. I'm like nervous, look. I might post it. I might. Today is May the 15th. Like, I'm gonna put in gas. Okay, so fill a half. Oh, and one thing is you have to stay out of the car. Okay, to half. Okay, so I'm gonna fill completely. Listen, my tank is over halfway. Cause I haven't been speeding a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna be speeding right now. Okay, so I forgot this part.